Well, hello everyone. This is Anita White, and yes, we are back with another video, ready to get started as usual. Thank you to all our new subscribers for joining us. If you're new, please know we welcome you, and we so much appreciate you being a part of this amazing art journey with us. If you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe. Please know we appreciate you viewing, but it really does mean a lot to help us support us in growing our channel by you giving us an opportunity to have your viewership as well as your subscription. So go ahead and subscribe. Today we have a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and I'm reusing this canvas. I covered in black. This is the Artist Loft Acrylic Black, and I'm going to go ahead and just torch this canvas and look for any uninvited guests. I often ask things like, what kind of torch do you use, and do you have to torch, do you need a torch? Absolutely, you need a torch to get these air bubbles out. I haven't figured out any other alternative for being able to do that. And the torch I use is called a Urban Crater. They don't have these on the market anymore right about now. They are no longer available. I purchased it on Amazon. I love it, and if it does become available, I will certainly purchase another one because I love it. So we are going to be doing a design with some amazing colors, and we're just going to see what happens with this. We have a Liquitex Basics light green permanent. We have the Artist Loft Old Gold, Amsterdam Greenish Blue, Liquitex Basics Turquoise, Liquitex Basics Cobalt Blue, and the Artist Loft Cerulean Blue. And we're going to start, we may also put some, let's see, what is this? We may put some Amsterdam titanium white in there. We'll just see. I'm going to start with this, actually I think I'll start with the Amsterdam Greenish Blue. I want to use colors that I haven't used in combination before, but as always it's something surprising. So we're going to see where it takes us, and hopefully we can come out with something super amazing. All right, so there's our layout. On top of that, I will put in this light green. It's really pretty. We're going to skip around and do some turquoise blue on top of that. I tend to want to have negative space both inside and outside, and we'll be looking to accomplish that as much as possible. This is the Cobalt Blue. Haven't used this color in a while, so it's kind of good to have it back in action. Okay, and then we have this Cerulean Blue, which is a light, baby light blue. It's going to be interesting to see what this does. We have the, let's go ahead and throw some white in there, some Amsterdam titanium white. Haven't done this in a while with white, so we probably have some lacing. And we'll have this Artist Loft Old Gold on top as well. I'm going to wrap back around with the first color we used, which is the bluish green. It's been a while since I've used this one as well. So it'll be interesting to see where these colors take us. All right, torching. Torching and looking for any uninvited guests, any foreign debris that may interfere with our design. It could be anything. I think I saw like a little, maybe not. Yep, I did. There you go. Uninvited guest. Okay, we are looking relatively well from what I can see here. Now our decision is to try to get something that will give us a design that we can appreciate. So let's see if we can maybe flow this way, out that way, this way maybe. We'll see. Oh my heavens. We touched that a little bit, didn't we? Didn't notice that. Looked like the hair dryer got in there just a tad bit. So we'll take some of the base color, which is in this bottle. Just squeeze that in a little bit. Good to have a squeeze bottle handy. And we are going to look around. This is very pretty. Those colors are amazing. I like to put some of this cerulean blue here as well. Just a little bit in there. Looks like we dipped into that some kind of way. All right. And that is really pretty. Very pretty. I like it far better than what I had on here. We have some cells, a few air bubbles. Don't want to do a heavy torch, but just want to capture some of this right now. So pretty. Wow. Love this. Love it on black. I love how the actually old Artist Loft Old Gold just kind of has spurts of it throughout. There's a little fading out of the petal here. There's inside and outside negative space. So I think we're good, guys. This is really, really pretty. I'm loving how this permanent light green is just really blending well throughout. Just hints of it throughout. And the white, I'm glad I went with that white. That was a good decision. I like its outcome. And we will see if we can reach there. All right, time for a close-up. Okay, here we are, everyone, with our close-up. We have really seen some amazing things happen here with this black and these amazing blues and greens and the Artist Loft Old Gold on top. We have a little bit of a glare because of the lighting issue. I'll apologize for that, but just gonna want to show you how pretty and rich those colors are as they've come together to make this beautiful composition. Love how that light permanent green mixed in. The Amsterdam titanium white also really did a nice job of bringing with some lacing. Our blues. All of our colors are always listed in the description box, so if you miss something, please refer to that. On each of the videos, you can see where we added the paint there in the middle, the black and the cerulean blue. Again, I think this came out beautiful with all of the different combinations of blue, blue greens, and the golden white and black base. All right, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Remember, this is a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and if you're interested in any of the art, just email me at AnitaWhiteLoveYourArt@gmail.com. That information is also located in the description box. To all of you who have not subscribed, we are waiting for you, so come on, don't have us waiting too long. We'd love to have you join us. Again, this is Love Your Art, and we're so happy to have you be a part of this with us. So until next time, we will say stay safe, and we will see you all on the next video upload. Bye now.